Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Doctor's Day. I am studying from grade 9.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Doctor's Day. I'm studying grade 6.
Thank you. Happy Doctor's Day.
I'm studying grade 6. Happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you.
I'm studying grade 6.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Doctor's Day. I'm Nitish of grade.
Now, why do you have to use medicines? Can't we ever get better without using medicines?
Absolutely. If we had taken care of the problem, prevention is better than cure, then a person may not have taken medication. But because people do not take care of their health, when health is not a priority, they take care of their health when they become unhealthy. So it is important that children, all of you, should exercise every day, should not look at phones, should not be, should be washing your face, should be doing some aerobic exercises, eating healthy, plenty of fruits, plenty of vegetables, a lot of water, spending time outside with nature, laughing, smiling. It is needed. Even with knowing the side effects, a person has to take the medication for a period of time and then stop. I feel proud that small children like me come and meet me. Yes.
What motivated you to become a doctor?
Service. I feel that healing is close to the heart and service is close to the soul.
And what are the memorable moments of your journey?
My memorable moment is any patient who comes back to me, my outpatient who has been sick and near death, and he comes and sits in this and holds my hand and says thank you.
What are the medical conversations from the
Oh, you want to become a doctor? Then I should tell you that it is a long journey, but it is such a journey with returns. You feel so satisfied with what you have done to mankind. The journey, one, if you are wanting to undertake, you should be resilient. You should know that you should have patience. You should not be put down. You should be able to sacrifice your 24 hours to the patients. You might not be able to get to your birthdays or your families, any of those events in time. But most of the time you can, because now if you make up with colleagues, then it is. So this time with mankind. So it gives me so much of pleasure to be there.
Ma'am, how many hours you have to study to become a doctor?
It is not the hours, how many hours effectively you study is what is more important. If you are studying 4 hours a day and if it is effective enough, then you don't need to. What is your question? If you are given a particular course and if you are able to finish it, then it is well done.
Why is doctors making so hard to read?
You want to check my handwriting? I will give you my handwriting, and it's such a beautiful one. I had written a poem yesterday and I will narrate that poem.
We would love to.
Which part of the body should be worked?
Oh, how does that?
Patient know which part of the body should be.
So the patient doesn't work on any part of the body. The patient accumulates healthy lifestyle, which works on every part of the body.
And why doctor asks us to finish all the medicines even if we feel better?
Because everything is for a period of duration. So let us say you are in grade 8 and you are smart enough and you have completed all your course in 2 months. Will you be given a certificate after 2 months? So everything has guidelines. So everything has a duration. Everything should be taken in that proper period of time. If not, after 2 months if you leave school, you will get a fail mark. In the same way, if the patient doesn't complete his course of medication, he will come back after 15 days again. I service, as I said, I love to heal, I love to see smiles on the face, I love to see that people are getting better, and this was the best way where I can be in touch one-to-one with the person.
Doctor, you are really open.
You.
Ma'am, actually, how do you...
Brain of the nation, right? We both are heroes and heroines. Yes.
Ma'am, how do you manage to balance your personal and professional life?
See, it's if you are working, if you are enjoying work, then it becomes your personal life. So I should say that in my 30 years of my career, I have been happy in what I have been doing. I have been smiling. I have my team who are like my team, my second extended family. The patients become and their caregivers over a period of 10 to 20 years they are with me. So they become my extended family. So when I meet them, I feel that I am on a vacation, right? So enjoy your work, love your work. Then work doesn't look like work.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we are done with our questions and doubts. Thank you so much for answering questions now. We have a small thing for you. Doctors, you're the hero of the nation. Doctor, with your healing hand and kind heart, you give us hope and more. Doctor, every smile you bring back is a gift for humanity. Doctor, your kindness is the medicine. Doctor, your kindness is the medicine. Doctors, you fight with the diseases and fear and bring light in the darkness. Doctor, you bring every smile back is a gift for humanity. Doctor, you save lives. Doctor, you save lives.
Same.
To save lives.
Doctor, you are a hero of the nation.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I did.